Today we're going to make a 2-ingredient chocolate fudge. It's super simple, very easy to make, and it's delicious. I cannot wait to dig into it. So let's get on with it.
I'll start off by chopping some Amul dark chocolate. Make sure the pieces are more or less the same size so that it becomes easier to melt it. In a bowl, I'll add the chopped chocolate and melt it either in a double boiler or in a microwave in the interval of 30 seconds. Next, I'll add condensed milk to the melted chocolate and mix it well. It looks absolutely stunning. We are pretty much done here, but I like to add a dash of coffee as it highlights the flavor of chocolate even more. I'm also adding some chopped walnuts to it, but it's totally optional and you can skip it out. Next, I'm taking a 5 by 7 inch dish which I'm lightly greasing with vegetable oil and lining it up with parchment paper, leaving extra handles on both sides so that it becomes easier to demold the fudge. Now I'll transfer my fudge into the dish and flatten it out using a spatula or a spoon. We'll refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours or until it sets. And there, our fudge is ready and looks absolutely delicious.
It's really hard to understand that something so easy can be so out of the world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Until next time.